Hey everybody, what does $30 buy you this day and age? A bag full of stuff. That's what it buys you. So I already emptied it because I'm doing a review today, as the title says, and I had to take stuff out to get the prices, so I do apologize, but I will show that bag full in a future thumbnail, because you all know I like to keep it real with you, but I already did a video and I'm like, I don't have the prices, and I think you want to know the prices. So let's get started with this video and go through with what I picked. Now this company is Letsinstyle. They are offering my viewers 10% off. It's LSCarma, and it's good through now, but between now and April 20th, you get 10% off. But I think you'll find their website, I'm getting product here, the products are very, very reasonably priced. So let's get started on what I chose. Now I do like the way it came in that big bag I showed you, which I will show you it filled up. But and then it comes in a bag on top of that, which I like that also. So the first thing I bought that I chose were these bead bracelets. Let's see if I can get up closer so you can see them. Aren't those beautiful? These are white and black, and you do get 5 pieces. So here's the rest of them. Excuse me. I think this is a great deal. These 5 pieces were $2.16. So I did this because I like to stack bracelets. Let me know if you do. But that was my thought with that one. And then with that, another bag. I also chose, if I can get the bag open, having difficulties here, y'all. So I also chose another set that is 3 pieces because, and here you go again. Here's a bag. Here is a bracelet. This is 3 pieces, and this was for $2.59. Is that not gorgeous? Now, I like to stack my bracelets like this, and you can tell the difference. I don't know, I hope you can in the camera. The bottom 2 are more white and black, but it's like a grayish color when you look at it from a distance. This top one is more of a translucent color. So, and it's got the translucent, it's got some gray in here, it has some gray and white. So I thought these would look nice stacked together. Let me know in the comments if you do that. But again, those were for the 3 pieces, $2.59. So I think that is a really great deal. And I'm just kind of marking these off as I go. I apologize, I'm looking down a lot. I don't want to forget anything. So the next thing I did get was, let me turn the page here. I really like this. Yep, I already opened them. These hair bands. This is a set of 15. I am put 2 of them down. They're, yeah, a set of 15 for $2.71. So let me show you these. This is handmade, and it comes in this nice, very nice plastic case. I really do think this is great. Like if you have daughters, you can share these with your daughters. I think these make great Christmas gifts that you're getting doubles and triples of some items. Now, I like that comes in light gray, a dark gray, and then the black. I think that's a nice touch. And these bands. And then you can take one out and use it and put it back. And this, again, was $2.71 for all 15 of these. Look how nice and wide those are. They're not too wide, but they're not too thin. So I really do think those are nice. Now, I know you guys have seen this haul on another channel, well, I've seen it on 2 different channels. So I decided, you know what, I have long hair. I'm going to do hair stuff. It's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this one back. I put it back in there. Let's see if you can kind of see it's back in the case. But I think it's nice. You can set it back in there like that. You can have one for yourself. And again, you can pass the other 2 along. And that is a great gift, or just to share, again, for the $2.71. Now, I gotta tell you guys, this website, the use of the website was very easy for me to navigate around on the website. I really like that about this company. The prices, I mean, you can't beat that for $2.71 for 15 of these, or the price of the bracelets, and also the variety. I mean, they had a great variety. I'm going to show you a different one that I got now. I ordered this. Who doesn't like crystals? So this is a hair clip, 3 pieces, more in the bag, for, this was actually $3.02. Now, I'm going to try to put my hair up on this quickly so you can kind of see it. But I think that is a great price. Let me know in the comments. I like wearing barrettes, but I have not found barrettes. So they are difficult to find in my area. So I'm just going to try to do a high pony. I don't know if all my hair will fit in that. You know what? Let's just do a half. I have another one here, and it's wider, that it will fit in. But I figure my hair is very thick, it is very coarse. If it holds it, it's a good product. And I also like that it's the clip back. I like the ones that clip. And my hair is getting all tangled up. But I like to keep it as real with you guys as I can and show you everything live. So I probably look a little ridiculous because I'm not used to doing my hair like this. And I can't look in the camera to get help. So I need my glasses on for that. So this is what the first one looks like. I think that is very nice. That would look great on an evening out, dressed up. I like that. So that was definitely worth the price. For 3 pieces, $3.02 a piece. Now this next one, I should be able to, hopefully we'll see if I can pull all my hair up in it. This one was $2.17 for 2, and this is what it looks like. Look how blingy that is. So for $2.17, again, I think that is a great deal for 2. So let's take this out. Christmas time is coming up. It's a great time to order. Uh-oh, I can't find the end of the clip. It's a great time to order and get some of these for the holiday. Share them with your kids. I'm gonna pause y'all because I cannot get this out. Hold on. Okay, so instead of showing you guys me putting this one in my hair, this is what's in my hair right now. I just did it in front of the camera. I should have gone and done it in my bathroom, but that is what it looks like. I think I actually need to put a hair tie in there to keep it up. But isn't that pretty as a updo? And again, I like that it's barrettes. And that one came out easy. And this one is a thicker one. So if I can fit all my hair in there and I need to put it in a hair tie, I'd say that's pretty good. So, and just a couple more items. Oh, actually, only one more item, because I'm going to do the rest of this haul another video, because just the time. So I decided to get something different and fun. This is a set of 2, and it cost me $2, or it was $2.27, excuse me. And it says perfume number 5, but it's this cute little keychain. Now, I just think that's adorable. You get 2 of these, again, for $2.27, and I like that this actually has the ring on it, so you can, for a key ring, or it has this clip, so you can just clip it to your purse. Let me get this out of the way. So I think that's a really nice touch. And again, it would make a great gift. When's the last time you could buy a keychain or any of these products for this price? The back of it, here's what the back of it looks like. But I still think it doesn't have the bling on the back, but I think it's a nice touch the way they did it. That's just on the front. So that is the end of the first part of this haul, because I do have more product from them, and I'm gonna put these in the bag so you can see that bag full. So I will be wearing this shirt again, because I'm gonna do the next video right away. But again, all of that, the last 2 pieces for $2.27. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.